You telling me you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
Hey y'all, hey, what's up? What it do? It's your girl KB, and welcome to my channel. You already know what to do. Click the subscribe button down below. Y'all, today's video, y'all, like, I'm going all green, like money vibes, stimulus check, St. Patrick green. Okay, I'm not sure like what kind of flow it's gonna be, but make sure you keep on watching, click subscribe, and stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I wanted to try something different by doing like my foundation and stuff first, but y'all, like, something is telling me not to do that for this video. Like, I want to do it, but I'm not gonna do it. But y'all, I will be using this Total Control Nyx Drop Foundation. Y'all, this stuff is like really like liquidy, drip droppy, like it's like water. So we're gonna see how this works. Okay, so if y'all know, then I'm starting with my eyebrows. I'm just filling these in. I'm just dragging that tail down just a little bit. So now I'm just gonna go in with this Maybelline concealer, and I'm just gonna shape my brows up with this. So I'm just going in with this white concealer, and I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm using this Morphe M173 brush. Okay, so now that I have this concealer and everything blended out, my bad, y'all. I thought I was recording. Y'all, I'm watching The Bachelor, and my bad, sorry. So I'm using the Gemrock palette by Playing Your Makeup by Yolando, and I'm using the shade called Lucy in the palette. And as you can see, I just put that all up in the crease and like a slightly above my crease and all that. And I just like blended it on out. Like, I have like hooded eyes kind of, so, and they crease a lot, so I have to, like, you know, kind of expand and go overboard. So next I'm just taking this really dark green shade, and I'm just going right into the crease of my eye with this, just to like really darken that crease. I'm using this green shade, y'all. I mean, I'm using all green, y'all. So this is like a money vibes, you know, give me St. Patrick, you know, Lucky Charms, you know. I'm gonna take the green shade and I'm just patting that above there. And this is gonna be like the blending game. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of blending. Okay, so now that I got the crease cut, I'm just taking that green shade, well, the green shade I laid down first, and I'm just putting this on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just going to blend this out.
So I'm going to take that dark green, like a midnight green, and put this on top of that. But I'm not going like fully into the lid. I'm just keeping it on the outer.
So I'm using these Ani lashes. Y'all, these lashes were at the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, and they were for $1. So go right there right now and go pick you up some. So I'm about to put on these lashes. Call me what you want, but you can't call me broke money. Pull up with the chopper in it. Shit. Okay, so I have my eyelashes on, y'all. And now the primer I'm using is the Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Primer. Y'all like this stuff, so like, wrong finger. Blow. Okay, y'all, so I am using this NYX Drop Foundation in the shade Mocha. So we're gonna see how this, oh. So that's 2 drops. I feel like I'm crying. Oh. We may be onto something now. We may be onto something. Oh, y'all, be back. Okay, y'all, so I just want to say the foundation, A1. I love it. I dig it. I just didn't go underneath my eyes. You already know what I'm doing. So, but yeah, this foundation is dope. Like, I use 2 drops per side of my face, and I just use like the excess, and I just, you know, went on my forehead. So, period. Now I'm gonna go in with this, the Juvia's Place foundation, concealer in the shade 11. And I'm just gonna go, you know, under the eye. Okay, so I'm taking this damp beauty blender. I use this NYX setting spray. Y'all, I love NYX products. Like, I am a NYX girl, so they might as well go ahead and add your girl on that list. So I'm just gonna blend this out, starting from like the bottom. This is going to be the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. Just going to set under my eye with this tiny baby beauty blender. It's so cute. So if you know, then you know that I'm using this Juvia's Place palette. And I'm just going to, you know, swipe, swipe, swipe. Just gonna contour up the face a little bit. What I am going to do is take this green shade that is in the palette, and I'm going to put this in the corner. Of my eye. What is that? I'm gonna highlight the face. So now I'm gonna line the lips. This is a Wet n Wild brown lip liner. Now this is the Black Radiance Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade, I don't know, Let's Toast. And I'm just gonna put this in the center of my lip. I'm gonna take this black lip line and I'm just gonna go like on the outside. Oh. Okay, so now I'm gonna set the face. Look at my fan, y'all. Slay. So y'all, this is the final look or whatever, y'all. Like, it's giving me like Where the Money Resides green. Like, it's giving stimulus check just came through the mail type. But yes, this is the look, y'all. And I just threw on this shirt. Like, I love like the primary scheme color thing it has going on. I don't know where I got it from, but yes, period. Yep. So if y'all like this video, if you like this look or whatever, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to your girl, whatever, okay? Yes, period. I am your girl KB, and I will see y'all in the next video.